Oh, we're recording? Is your family ready for Ramadan? What? They're not? Don't worry, we've got you covered. I'm excited to share Noor Kids Ramadan, our first ever mobile application designed to make this the best Ramadan ever. Here's how it works. Every day, we're publishing a bite-sized program that inspires kids to build a genuine love for Allah through hands-on activities, stories, silly dad jokes, and nasheeds. Kids will be able to join us live at the posted times, or they can watch on demand whenever it fits into their busy schedule between work, dinner, school, masjid, soccer. You get the point. We're also publishing challenges. These are hands-on activities that families can do together to enjoy into the spirit of Ramadan, and once they're finished, they're able to publish them and to participate in a global community. Our programs have touched the lives of thousands of kids from around the world, and we're excited to make this the best Ramadan yet. This mobile app is free for our Noor Kids members and for the first 1,000 people who sign up at noorkids.com/Ramadan. Now you have to sign up because when you do, you'll be receiving a special link where you'll be able to download the app. Here's one for you. What did the sheep say on the final day of Shaban? Ramadan Mubarak. See you soon. Assalamu alaikum.